So if you want to use custom ringtone on your OnePlus 13 5G, so first of all, make sure that you have your file on your phone and make sure that it's of MP3 format. So you can find it in downloads or whenever you have it, right? Make sure that it's in compatible format. Now, let's open up our settings. After that, let's scroll down to sound and vibration tab. Then we gotta find our ringtone. Here is our ringtone. So you can see a lot of system ringtones, right? So you can choose through them if you want to. You can choose through nature ringtones, or you can press custom on this device and choose the ringtone. Great, as you see, now it's chosen, and basically that's it. Now every time we're gonna get a call, the ringtone is gonna be this song. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.